Hello, fellow gardeners. Today we will deal with a topic that is very current among gardeners. I have something special for you. Today we will talk about one of the most important aspects of growing tomatoes: proper nutrition and protection from diseases. If you want your tomatoes to be healthy, strong, and bear abundant fruit, then you are in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of the video as we reveal a secret ingredient that will help you achieve amazing results. Dear gardeners, before we continue with the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, it's completely free, and turn on the bell to be the first to see each new video. And in the comments below, tell us where you're watching us from. Tomato is a plant that requires special attention when it comes to nutrition. Proper nutrition is not only the key to lush growth, but also to disease and pest resistance. Well-nourished plants are stronger and better able to fight disease, which means less loss and better yields. Tomatoes like sun, warmth, and well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Regular watering is key, but it's important not to overdo it because the roots don't like too much water. Quality fertilizer, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, is the basis for healthy tomato growth. However, there are also a few tricks that can help you further improve the health of your plants. There are many different ways to feed tomatoes, from organic to commercial fertilizers. However, natural methods are often the most effective and affordable. Today we're going to talk about a special recipe that uses two ingredients that you probably already have at home. But before we get to that, let's talk about protecting tomatoes from disease. Tomato diseases such as blight, powdery mildew, and bacterial diseases can destroy your efforts if you do not recognize them in time. Regular inspection of plants and removal of infected parts is crucial. Also, it is important to avoid watering the leaves because moisture can encourage the growth of fungi. Use natural fungicides and observe crop rotation to reduce the risk of disease. Did you know that tomatoes were once considered poisonous? In the 18th century, many believed that tomatoes could cause poisoning because wealthy Europeans ate tomatoes on lead plates, and the acid in the tomatoes would leach the lead, which indeed caused the poisoning. Fortunately, today we know that tomatoes are not only safe to eat, but also extremely healthy, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. When it comes to special food, there is one secret ingredient that we will reveal to you at the end of the video. This ingredient will provide your tomatoes with extra nutrients and help keep them healthy and disease-resistant. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of sugar, 10 liters of water. Preparation: mix baking soda and sugar in 10 liters of water. Mix well until they are completely dissolved. Spray the leaves and stems of tomatoes with the solution once a week. This natural spray helps fight fungal infections due to the antimicrobial properties of baking soda, while the sugar provides additional growth-promoting nutrients. Nutrition and protection of tomatoes are key to successful cultivation. By using natural methods, you can achieve extraordinary results without using chemicals. Thanks for watching our video. Dear friends, send this video to your friends on social networks, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.